Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning pointers in a C. In this video we are going to learn about how to pass in a pointers to a functions in a C. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get start with the video. First we will see how to pass a pointer in a C. A C programming allows a passing a pointer to a function by simply declare the function parameter as a pointer type. When we are passing a pointer to a function, that time we should give a parameter as a pointer type in a function. This is an example for the passing a pointer to a function. Here we declared a function as a void add1 and we pass the parameter as a int ptr is a pointer. Here ptr is a pointer. We passed the parameter to the function here. Then inside a function we incremented our pointer variable there. Then we closed the bracket and we declared a main function there. Inside a main function we declared the integer variables p and I, where p is our pointer variable and I is equal to 10 there. Then we declared a statement p is equal to ampersand I. Then we called the add1 function here. After that we given a printf statement. In a printf statement we are going to print the result for a pointer p. Then we gave a return 0 and we closed the bracket for a main function. When we will execute this program, we will get an output like this. We will get output as a 11 because here we declared the p pointer p is equal to the ampersand I, which will hold the address of an I, and when it will go to the inside a add1 function, that time it will get incremented because we used their increment operator there. So value will be increment by 1. So we got an output as a 11 here. We will see here the value stored at a p and a pointer p is initially 10. Then we passed the pointer p to the add1 function. The pointer p gets this address in the add1 function. Inside the function we increased the value stored at a pointer by a 1 using a increment operator. Since ptr and a p pointers both have the same address, so pointer p inside a main function is also gets the value as a 11. So we got our output as a 11 for the program. Thank you for watching the video.